Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the Radiance effect in CapCut PC. So it's super simple and just add the effect. Just like your videos or photos you like to edit and go to effect and select video effect, select light effect, and you can find the gradient. Just add to the track and adjust more information in the same like the video, and you can change for the atmosphere and speed and speed for the result. So this is the final effect you have on your video. Okay, that's how you can add gradients effect to your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any questions, please let me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.